Hello everyone, welcome to Hot Step Speed. My dish today I would like to show you how to cook stuffed cabbage soup. It's easy and delicious. Let's get started. Alright, first step we're gonna make herb to cook our filling. I got garlic, white peppercorn, and cilantro stem. I'm doing the same herb that I cooked crispy one time. If you never watched it, you can click the link above this video. Now I got cow prawns, herb or 3 things, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and salt. Mix well and then wrap it and keep it in refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, or you can leave it overnight. Now we're going to prepare Napa cabbage. We need only top of it, and you can use the top of Chinese cabbage if you want to, and then boiling them in the hot water. And we also need green onion as well, boiling them in hot water. Alright, take our filling out of the refrigerator. Place the filling onto the cabbage and then shape it until you have the correct shape. And then gently squeeze the filling up. And then gently tie it. Alright, here you are. Continue do the same thing until the filling gone. Slice carrot to add in the soup. Okay, after we finish prepare carrot, we're gonna start the cooking. Add 800 ml of chicken stock. Add carrot, dry shiitake mushroom. I already soaked them in the water and left them overnight. Add soy sauce, sugars, and add those stuffed cabbage. Close the lid and leave it simmer. After it simmer, we done. Alright, time to taste it. It's easy, right? So good! Alright, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, set the bell to notification. If you have anything to recommend me, please feel free to make comment below this video. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye!